Alright, so here's some air conditioners at a condo complex. These are 3. That's a Goodman. There's a York, and that's a Nordine. There's that noise is the other side, and there's some air conditioners the other side too. So this is Goodman. It's a 2-ton from 2017. It's a brand new unit. This car is in the way, so might go on the other side. I think it's really loud. And this York is a 1.5 ton from 1991. So, ow, I hit myself here. So, and this Nordine is a 1.5 ton from 2000. And this Nordine is a Intertherm. So, yeah. That one right there is a Rude Achiever. That's not a Goodman at all. That's a... Wait, hold on, let the kid... that's a Garrison. Alright, so here's some more air conditioners at this other side. This unit's running. It's a Rheem. It's a Classic X. That one right there is a unitary product, which is, I think it's a Coleman. This one right here is a Payne unit. Here's a Goodman right here. This is a Nordine, and it's got a copeless scroll. And these two are the last ones. They're Rheem and Goodmans. This one's running. I'm not sure what ton it is, but it's from 2003. So it's good. It's a 3-ton from 2000. So it's not running. These are window units right over here, and I'm not sure what this Goodman is, but it's too faded. I can't tell. Alright, and this one right here is a Coleman, I think. I just started up. This is it's a 2-ton from 2001. I just started up right now, scared the crap out of me. This Payne right here from 2004, and it's a 2-ton. Alright, I made that quick one, so. Yeah, that's it. Over and out.